Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're kind of not too far from Lisboa. I'm going to show you that restaurant in a minute, but I just want to show you some of this too. So Lisboa is right there. Grand Lisboa is right there. And actually, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a little playground right there. There's a little bit of rock climbing right in there. You can see it as well. So I just walked around the other side of that. Let me just see if I can catch it on this side. Yeah, there's like a little basketball court, and actually that rock climbing looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it, but they can climb up this wall right there, and they can go all up to that green part up there. You can kind of see it a little bit, but anyways, it's kind of interesting. And I always see this building right here, so I was just gonna walk by it and film it. And but it has it's kind of a nice restaurant, and I like the windows. You know, it's kind of circular. So, okay. Got your lucky entrance things. Fresh fish. Okay, parking lot, I guess. So we're just gonna go around and look a little bit in this area. And we're gonna go on to the thing with tiles in a minute. But yeah, right here we get back into the black and white tiles again. And you can see some of those. Let's see. There's a Subway restaurant here. Subway. It's like a little shopping mall area. It's also a shortcut if you want to get to the other side. There's some tourist stuff right here. I'm just gonna get a little bit closer and see what it all is. It's like honey, I don't know. It has this one kind of looks like like Eastern Europe or something like that. Kind of has a little bit of a Russian theme. I don't know what that is, or even an Arabic theme, or a Moorish theme. I don't know, I see some Arabic writing on different things. So this honey has Arabic writing, and that has Arabic writing on that too. And so yeah, I don't know. I don't know where it's from, but it's pretty cool. But actually this right here looks kind of Russian, so I don't know. I could go in there and ask. Oh, Iran. It's Persian. It's an Iranian shop. Wow. It's really cool. So, okay, there's an Iranian shop here. I never even knew this was here. But yeah, Iran has like, some really beautiful... So yeah, you never know what kind of surprises await you in Macau. I'm always surprised on a regular basis. What we're gonna do next is, I see another building over there that I've never looked at either, so we're gonna walk over there. We got a green light here, but then on the other side there's a red light. So, okay. So we're just gonna see if we can get across here. Central Catholic. Okay. I'll be able to get across in a minute here. Okay. So we're gonna try to get all the way across, but over here it's like San Francisco Park, and it's kind of this pink building. Military Club is right there. And what we're gonna try to do is get all the way over to this building, this gray building way over there. So, and I'll turn off the camera for now. As soon as I turn it off, the light turned green. Kind of cool right there. Let's kind of take a look at this real quick. So okay, perpetual fountain. And actually, it's too bad. I kind of wanted to see that what this building is up here, Santa Rosa. Looks like I can't get into the building though. There's a Portuguese ship right there. I think Santa Rosa is a private school, I think. Oh, it's beautiful. So yeah, College de Santa Rosa de Lima. And you can see this, there's a wall right here with some pretty cool stuff, so okay. Yeah, I think it's a Catholic high school or something like that. There's a nice church too. Oh, I didn't realize it's so pretty. I think I've heard the name before. I just didn't know anything about it. Okay. I think it must be a Catholic school. Here's some cinema. We got Spider-Man. We got whatever this one is. White Storm. I don't know. It's the Chinese one. Toy Story. So, okay. Lion King? I don't know. I don't know if they just put up old posters maybe. Is Lion King back? Okay. 70,000 is about $9. I think that's the kid price, and then the adults. Oh, 2D is $9 American dollars, and the other is like about $1 or about $12 or $13 for a 3D film. American dollars, I translated it, so it was like 770 mop, and the other was I think it's 120 if I remember right. Okay, anyways, pretty cool tiles everywhere, sun one, and we're just gonna walk. We're gonna walk into the we're gonna walk down this alley. This one is Honolulu Cafe. And I think this one, I think you can actually, one of these you can go up to the top up there, and I think there's a thing up there, you can see it. You might have to go down one of these other ones to get to it though. It's like a pretty cool place there. Okay, this ends right here. The wires are close to the ground. Kind of interesting though, right? Like if you lived right up there, you would just have access to so many things that you wouldn't really expect. So, okay. So we're just gonna walk. Let's see, I guess we'll just go down this way. It's called the Paris store. It's all French. Huh. Hello. It's all French things? Everything here is from France? Huh. Okay. Got French beer, French cheese.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Thank you. Yeah. So everything is from France in there. So yeah, we just down the street we saw something that was all Iranian things, and now we just saw French shop as well. And we also walked by Honolulu, which I didn't look into that one. But yeah, kind of interesting, right? So you never know what you're gonna see. So, okay. Watson's. So I think we're gonna try to take a right. There's like a little alley in here that I'm gonna try to walk down in a minute. And I think it kind of goes into upstairs into something different. I'm just gonna see if I can find that. Okay, so you can't take the elevator. Bus stop. try to go around the corner a little bit to see what we can find anyways. Kind of a cool looking yellow building there. I think I've walked by it many times. I don't know if I filmed it yet though. Okay, I thought I was going to be able to go up something and get up top there. But it looks like that's not possible at this location anyways. Let's go a little further and see what we can see. Okay. So, there's another CTM there. Okay. It's also kind of interesting too, because as we walk you can see like how little space people give you. Kind of go right up against you, more or less. Okay. Let's see, what's this one? Comidas. This looks like a different one too. Oh, Portuguese. Portuguese restaurant? Is it Portuguese?
Hello, Portuguese food.
Portuguese restaurant?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Portuguese food.
Portuguese food, okay. Macanese too?
Macanese.
Macanese é português? Ah, sim. Muito bem.
Obrigado. Você fala português?
Pouco. Sim.
Comida portuguesa.
Sim, eu quero... pouco mais tarde eu quero.
There's things in Macau.
Oh, sim.
I think pipoca, beef ou batata frita. I think.
Oh, sounds good. Oh, muito bem.
Bom viagem.
Bom dia. Obrigado.
Nada.
That's kind of cool. Yeah, a lot of the old guys, they speak Portuguese, so you can speak Portuguese to them. I didn't know that was a Portuguese restaurant. Oh, wow, what's this one? It's kind of cool too. Oh, they closed it. Okay. This one is a Japanese place called for lunch. If I was hungry, I'd probably go in here. This is the one I was going to try to go down, so we're going to follow this and just see what it does. We got a festival here. I don't know. You never know, alleys can have a lot of life to them. Yeah, actually, if you like this, wow, never seen this before. Never seen this one. But yeah, if you like this video, just like it and subscribe, and make a comment. Basically, just kind of explain how it works. But if nobody says anything, then these things don't really go anywhere. Like nobody will see them. This is really beautiful. Wow. Okay. Try to capture. So, yeah, that temple is beautiful. Never seen that before. There's a Mercado over there, supermarket, old style one. Dang, this temple is really beautiful. Huh. Oh. Beautiful. Oh, okay. I've never been up in this area before, so this is all kind of new. I'm gonna walk and see what this one is. Okay, I guess I actually turned this down, turned the camera off, so I'm just turning it back on for a minute. And I'm just gonna see what's around this corner, and if nothing is, then I'll turn off the camera and I don't know. I think I'm gonna stop right at this spot. But yeah, I really like this street right here. It's gonna go back like that a little bit. Just kind of photograph that for a minute. Yeah, it's pretty cool if you film it in the spot. Some clothes up there. I guess this one's turning in, oh, they're trying to get a garage jump in. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna conclude this video right here. This is a good stopping spot for this, I think. Chiquinha, chiquinha.